Black pepper sprinkled into honey creates a natural remedy. The combination of black pepper and honey enhances their individual beneficial properties. Honey possesses natural, soothing, and antibacterial qualities. Black pepper aids in digestion and possesses anti-inflammatory characteristics. The mixture of honey and black pepper can alleviate cough and cold symptoms. This natural remedy combines the medicinal properties of two common ingredients. Black pepper and honey mixture aids in relieving cough, cold, and congestion. The mixture's expectorant properties help to clear mucus from the airways. Clearing mucus eases breathing and reduces congestion. The airways and the lungs are cleared by the expectorant action. The combination of black pepper and honey provides a natural remedy for respiratory relief. Black pepper stimulates digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food. Honey soothes the stomach lining, promoting a healthy digestive environment. The combination of black pepper and honey can enhance overall digestive function. Improved digestive function contributes to better gut health. Both honey and black pepper possess properties that support a balanced digestive system. The combination of black pepper and honey can boost energy levels. This natural energy boost helps keep individuals active and alert throughout the day. Black pepper may enhance the bioavailability of nutrients, while honey provides a source of natural sugars. Sustained energy levels support consistent physical and mental performance. Animation illustrates smooth blood flow through the heart. Regular consumption of black pepper can support better circulation. Honey contributes to cardiovascular wellness. Black pepper and honey promote efficient blood flow. The components contribute to overall heart health.